At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first eyelash growth serum by Pronexa is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Not only does this serum provide lash growth results for many users, it also helps nourish and grow eyebrows. Formula is hypoallergenic and not tested on animals. Money-back guarantee. Here are the cons. Some complaints of the product being watery. A few reports of leaks/dried out product upon delivery. Some users gripe that it takes longer than expected to work. The best reviews bottom line. While many are happy with their results, there are mixed reviews about its effectiveness along with some quality concerns. We rated this Instant Natural Eyelash Growth Serum as our best value pick. Here are the pros. A versatile formula that can be used on lashes and brows, and has been known to produce noticeable results. Contains peptides and nourishing plant-based oils and extracts. Here are the cons. Some mixed reports of length of time it takes to see results, from 2 weeks to more than a month. The best reviews bottom line. If you are looking for a versatile eyelash serum that offers promising results for most users for a fraction of the price of higher-end brands, this is the one to choose. The next eyelash growth serum by Rapid Lash is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Combines amino acids and panthenol that protects lashes to aid in growth. Some noted that their lashes are longer and are thicker after several weeks of regular use. Can also be used on brows. Here are the cons. Not all users had positive results, and some reported that it took months of use before noticing a difference. Rare incidences of irritation. The best reviews bottom line. Though using this serum may result in longer, fuller lashes, there's also a chance of limited results or irritation. We ranked this Skin Research Laboratories Eyelash Growth Serum as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros. Formulated with nourishing ingredients that help grow and strengthen both eyelashes and eyebrows. Contains peptides and plant extracts. Some users also report darker lashes/brows after use. Here are the cons. The most expensive lash serum on our shortlist. Has mixed reviews, while some users were happy with the results. Others reported no improvements after several months. The best reviews bottom line. A reliable eyelash serum that can also be used to enhance brows. This eyelash growth serum by Sky Organics is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Made of cold-pressed, organic castor oil, a product that is known for boosting eyelash/eyebrow growth thanks to its omega-6 acids. Cruelty and chemical-free, and comes with applicators. Here are the cons. The consistency is thick and oily, making it somewhat difficult to apply. May cause somewhat blurry vision if you get it in your eyes. Not all users saw noticeable results. The best reviews bottom line. For consumers who prefer an all-natural product in a generous bottle for a low price, this is a good choice, but it doesn't work for everyone.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.